Hi everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this. How to connect your Ajax alarm system to your garage door so you could do this. This way you could open it and close it from pretty much anywhere. This is a really good feature if you don't have MyQ. So let's get to it. First things first, in order to do this, let's make sure you do have admin rights. In order to find out, once you open up the Ajax app, if you see all these icons here at the bottom, chances are you do have administrating rights. If you don't, if you only have two icons down here, that means you don't. You will need to contact whoever installed your system and ask them to make you an administrator. Without that, you cannot do anything. Move this aside. Okay, so you have two options here. We need some relays. So this is a powered relay, and this is a battery powered relay. You can use either or. I'm going to be using the powered one. The hookup is exactly the same. Just this one here, you don't need power. So I'm going to move this aside. Let's take this out. See, the reason why I want to use this one, small, and you could even, comes with two-way tape. You could just stick this right onto the garage door opener and it's out of the way. And most garage door openers has an outlet just above it. That's why I want to use this one. All right, let me flip this around. So right over here, so we got 4 connections right there. The first 2 are our power, and the other 2 are our contact points. This is really simple to install. The relay part, which is these 2, this is what we're going to connect to our garage door opener, and this is power. So I got a 12-volt DC plug, and I got one of these as well. It just makes it a lot cleaner. If you need to service it, it's easier to take apart. You can always cut this and just plug it in directly. I like doing it this way, just so if I need to service it, it's a lot easier to take it apart. Okay, so I got my relay. In order to set this up on the app, we need to power it up. If you're using the battery powered one, just press and hold the button and you could add it that way. So I just got some alarm wire here. So over here I got positive, negative. So I'm using yellow, red as positive. Again, you could do this whichever way you want. So let me just connect this real quick. Okay, just give it a little tug, make sure it doesn't fall out. Okay, now I grab the other end of the wire and I'm going to plug it into my connector. Okay, I'm going to plug this in. And I'll show you how to add it to the Ajax system. At this point, we can actually take this right to the garage door opener now, but I'm going to add this relay to the app now, then take it outside. Okay, to add the relay to the app, okay, over here on the app, first thing you want to do is go to Rooms, then add a room, and over here, I'm just going to type this garage. If you want to add a picture, just tap there. It'll give you an option to take a picture or just add a picture. So now we're going to hit add. We're going to tap garage one more time. Add a device. Now we're going to scan that QR code. And now we're going to name it whatever you like. I'm going to name this garage opener. Add device. Now that button on the side of the relay, you're going to press and hold it. You got the OK, and it's added now. So over here, now we're going to tap on it, go to the gear. We need to make some changes here. So we're going to leave it as relay. You can check the notifications, make sure they're all turned on. And over here, we need to change it to pulse. And pulse duration, we're going to change that to 1. And contact state, we want to keep this as normally open. That's pretty much it. Now your relay is programmed. Now let's head over to the garage and let's set it up. Okay, we're over here at the garage door. Let's open this up. Now you got to locate your wires. Mine are right over here. So the way you could tell is these two, see how they're doubled up? That means it's the laser by the bottom of your garage door. This one here are the ones we're looking for. It's the remote button. So what we're going to do is 2 wires that we have from the relay, we're going to connect it to there. So just poke it in. All right, so here's the 2 wires. If you take a look over here, pull on it, make sure it doesn't pop out. If you're not sure which wire is connected to, make sure you take a look at the manual and just double check. Once again, it's the one, or just follow the wire that goes to your button on your garage door. If you don't want to connect it here, you can connect it at the actual button at the garage door. Over here, I just find it easier because now we just grab our sensor, 2-way tape it here, 2-way tape it on the side, and if you need to service it, it's just a lot easier. All right, let's test it out now. Okay, so let's open up the app, swipe up, there's the relay. All you have to do is tap on the picture of the relay. And now the garage is working and you'll get notification right there on the top. Tap it again and you can reopen it. That's how easy it is. And you got the notification again, it was pressed. Now you could be anywhere and control your garage door. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.